You can see here we have a question: x square plus 7x plus 12 by x square plus 9x plus 20. So we have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 12 and addition is 7, and in denominator we have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 20 and addition is 9. So first of all we have to do numerator once. Let's factorize and write down the factors here while multiplying 12. So we have to write here 12, 3, let's do by 2, 2 6 are 12. When you add this 2 we get 7. No, because we get 6 plus 2 8, so we cannot take factors 6 and 8. Again we have to do 2 3s are 6, so 2 into 2 how much? 4. Now you can see 4 into 3, 4 into 3 how much? 12, which is here. And when you add, because here is addition, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, so when you add we get 7, and when you multiply we get 12. So in this way we have to find out the factors. So x square plus, in the place of 7 we have to write 4 and 3, so 4 plus 3 x plus 12. Similarly in denominator also same, while multiplying 20, while adding 9. So we have to do like this: 2 tens are 20. Always start from smallest number. 2 tens are 20, so when you add we get 12, but here we need 9. So again we have to do 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are how much? 4. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So when you add these two factors we get 9, and when you multiply these two factors we get 20. So what are the factors here? X square plus, in the place of 9 we have to write 5 and 4, x plus 20. If here addition, so while addition. If here subtraction, then while subtraction we have to do. Okay, x square plus 4 into x, 4x plus 3 into x, 3x plus 12. Similarly in denominator also, x square plus 5 into x, 5x plus 4 into x, 4x plus 20. Now we have to take common. Let's take a common. From first two term we have to take common x square and 4x. So common is x we can take, and remaining x plus 4. Similarly we have to take common from here 3 and 12. We can take common 3 and remaining x plus 3, into which number it will be 12. 3 4s are 12. Similarly in denominator also we can say x square plus 5x. So we can take x common, remaining x plus 5 plus 4 and 20. 4 5s are 24 and 20. 4 we can take common, remaining x plus 5. On the previous video I taught you how to take common, how to factorize. We have so many problems related with factorization and to take common. If you don't know proper how to take common and factorize, please visit on my class 8 math playlist. So you will get there too many videos related with factorization and to take common. Okay, so you can see here x plus 4, x plus 4. So we can write x plus 4 common, and the remaining is x plus 3. So we can write here x plus 3. Similarly x plus 5, x plus 5. So we can write here x plus 5 common, and the remaining is x plus 4. So we can write x plus 4. Now here we can cancel x plus 4, x plus 4 we can cancel. Okay, same. Now what is the remaining here? X plus 3 by x plus 5. Don't do mistake, do not cancel this x, because here is two term. If here is multiplied then we can cancel. If addition and subtraction we cannot, because